وأن هذا صراطي مستقيما فاتبعوه ولا تتبعوا السبل فتفرق بكم عن سبيله ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تتقون.
وَأَنَّ هَذَا صِرَاطِي مُسْتَقِيمًا, and that this is my path. That he counsels you that this is my path, that stands straight. فَاتَّبِعُوهُ, then follow it. وَلَا تَتَّبِعُوا السُّبُلِ, then don't follow multiple pathways. فَتَفَرَّقَ بِكُمْ عَنْ سَبِيلِهِ, that they will take you away from his path. Now 2 words for his path are mentioned. صِرَاطُ رَبِّكَ, هَذَا صِرَاطِي مُسْتَقِيمًا, أو أَنَّ هَذَا صِرَاطِي مُسْتَقِيمًا, and then there's a transition over to Sabil, right? So Sirat was used and then Sabil was used. One day, inshallah. Wanted to highlight it just so you feel bad. Okay. ذَلِكُمْ وَصَّاكُمْ بِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ.